Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to get a refund on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I'm going to open my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here to after you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to your profile. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the products that you want to refund. I'm going to click on here. Now you have the products right here. For you to refund your money, go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type the reason for refund right here. So I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo. Then I'm going to make use of my Google Translate right here. Having opened up my translate, go ahead and set your primary language right here and then translate to Chinese right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on here and say seller refused to response that and not ship. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here, then go ahead and click on here to copy the Chinese character. The next thing I'm going to do is to come back to my Pinduoduo right here, click on here and paste the Chinese character right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and make sure I proceed with my refund submit. So go ahead and click on here to submit the refund. Successfully submitted, just like what you see right here. So it's that simple. You can see the refund has been successfully completed right here, just like what you see right here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and access from the refund status right here. By the time I refresh the product is no longer found right here. Lastly, I will access from my Pinduoduo right here and confirm the refund successful in my Alipay. For that, I will go ahead and open up my Alipay right here. Having opened up my Alipay, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on. You can see a notification of a refund from Pinduoduo. With that, I'll still go ahead and click on my message box right here. Then here we go. Under my notification right here, I'll go ahead and open up my notifications. Then go to payments. Then here we go. We have a refund notice right here. It's that simple. So with that, you have completely get your refund back from Pinduoduo merchant. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.